It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2019 GMC Acadia SLE. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Acadia. On the driver's door, we've got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors. We've also got our child lock button as well as our auto express button for the windows. Here we've got our power liftgate button, and over here our power adjustable driver's seat. Next, I'll hop right in. We'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side we've got our cruise control buttons, and on the right side we've got our audio buttons. Here we've got our digital dash. We can scroll through the dash by pushing the arrows on the steering wheel. Over here we've got our push start button, as well as GMC's infotainment center. This screen also doubles as our backup camera. Just below that, we've got dual climate control with air conditioning, heated front seats, 2 USB plug-ins, as well as 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive, and off-road and sport mode. At the front of the Acadia, we've got fog lights, 18-inch wheels, a 3.6-liter V6 engine. Our door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, you simply push the silver button and it will either lock or unlock the doors for you. We've got a power liftgate at the back. Those rear seats fold down by pulling the tether. We've also got a power plug-in as well as some cargo hooks and some additional storage compartments. Next, we'll take a look in the back of this 6-passenger crossover. You can see there's lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the middle row. On the passenger door, we've got power windows. On the backs of those front seats, we've got some seat pockets. On the back of the center console, we've got our rear climate control, 2 USB plug-ins, as well as a storage compartment. We can fold these rear seats down by pulling the lever, and that will give us access to that third row. In the third row, we've got 2 additional seats, some USB plug-ins, and some storage. So come take a look at this 2019 GMC Acadia SLE today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.